Now I'm ready to take the pieces out. Now, if the water's too hot for you to touch, use your spoon. I have a fairly high tolerance, but I'm just going to take these out. Whoop. Oh, I guess my tolerance isn't as high as I thought. Now this water is still a little warm, which is just right. And then a pretty yellow. Now we're going to take them out of the water and roll them up in a little bit of paper towel. Going to set the bunny pieces, bear pieces, on my paper towel, and I'm going to try to squeeze some of the extra water out. If I had used a darker color Kool Aid, I would still be wearing my gloves, but this is a very pale yellow, so thankfully that's not going to stain my hands. I'm going to put this over it and blot it to try to get some of the extra water out. I'm just going to set these aside. Before I set these aside to dry, I'm going to take a little brush. I use for my little pieces, I use just a toothbrush that I use just for this. I'm going to make sure that all the fur is going in the right direction. And I'll just set those aside to dry. Now our pieces are all dry. The bunny that I sewed together first before dyeing, I'm going to turn back inside out again because I want to fray check the openings with the Aleene's Stop Fraying. I don't like doing that before I dye the fabric because that might prevent the dye from taking a hold. So if you sewed your pieces together before dyeing, turn them all back inside out, and then fray check all the seam openings.